Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Food with Charm. Today I'm making some air fried chicken wings. As you can see, I am cleaning it, rinsing it off, and then after that I'm going to be adding some seasoning to it. I've already added a tablespoon of olive oil and I rubbed it all over the chicken. Now I'm adding Pico de Gallo, dried parsley flakes, and lemon pepper. Now I've got this from my local grocery store. You can use whatever brand you want and measure however you want to your taste. Now I have my gloves on. I'm going to be maneuvering the seasoning around all of the chicken evenly. And for some of you guys who don't know what powdered Pico de Gallo is, it's kind of like tahini. So it's like it's a really good flavor. So this is very, very easy to make and it doesn't take very long to do. And so I have about 14 pieces. These are party wings, so they're sold in halves. And I placed them in the air fryer and I'm going to be setting it on 400 for 40 minutes. And the reason why I'm doing it a little longer is because they weren't all the way thawed out when I got them. Now halfway through I am turning them over and they already have a good color to them, but we got to get this cooked all the way through. And now for the great reveal. Bam! Oh, those look really, really nice. Nice and golden, spicy, flavorful. And it only took a few ingredients. And very, very easy to make. Now check it out. Oh my goodness. Those are going to be so good. Wait till you make them. Yours is going to taste good too. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Check me out. That was good. I'm Charmian. Thank you for watching Food with Charm. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.